You can stop hiccups instantly with just a teaspoon of sugar, no water, no holding your breath, just straight up sugar. Forget every weird trick you've heard, because this one works in seconds and is backed by science. Here's what happens: when you swallow a spoonful of sugar, the grainy texture actually jolts the nerves in your throat. This sudden stimulation interrupts the reflex arc that's causing your diaphragm to spasm and make you hiccup. It's not about the sweetness, it's the coarse texture that overrides the hiccup signal between your brain and diaphragm. That tiny bit of sugar sends a powerful message, telling those mixed up nerves to reset. Next time you're hit with that annoying, unstoppable hiccup attack, head to the kitchen and grab a spoonful of sugar. You'll be amazed at how quickly your body calms down and the hiccups vanish.